Hey guys, today I have another clean with me video. You can see that my room is pretty full. I'm not ready to reveal just yet what I have planned, but I will say that there's lots of giveaways coming soon. And I need to sort them all out. All of this is giveaway stuff. All of that is giveaway stuff. So yeah, I just have a bit to do today. I want to organise all my giveaway stuff into their piles. I need to clean my desk, put away all the stuff that I have to try. I need to take product photos, I need to get rid of the rubbish. So yeah, I thought you guys would enjoy watching. You guys really seem to like my clean with me videos, so I thought I would do one for you guys today. So yeah, I think I'm going to start by taking all the rubbish out just so I can start to move a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to take the rubbish out and then we will tackle the other stuff. Alright, I've taken all of my rubbish out now, so I can actually move in here again. So now I need to sort out all my giveaway stuff into boxes, so I'm going to set my camera up and do that and you guys can watch. Okay, I've sorted the giveaway stuff now, so now I just need to take some product photos. I've got some Colourpop stuff to take photos of. Some more Colourpop stuff. Then I have sent this from Lucid Skincare. I need to take photos of my new Revolution stuff and the Mitchell X Morphe collab. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to take my product photos and then we'll get into cleaning my desk. So yeah, we'll do that now. Okay, I've taken all my product photos now and now I'm just going to clean off my desk. I don't know if I should speed it up or I don't know, I feel like the video's already been quite long, so maybe I'll just speed through it. But yeah, I'm going to do that now. I was just packing this away and like the back of it like fully fell off, like that's meant to be stuck there and it just came off. Do you get what I mean? That's weird, isn't it? So they obviously didn't stick it on very well. But anyway. Okay, my room is now clean. Looks so much better and I can actually move. I just put the little bum bag up here. It's so cute. So now I have my blue one and my orange one. But yeah, looks so much better. I'm so happy. This took me literally all day. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!